Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your first time, thanks for stopping by. Today I've got an easy green juice recipe for you that's sure to get your day off to a great start. So what you'll need: a juicer, a fine mesh sieve, a mason jar for storage, one large bunch of kale, 20 ounces of spinach, 6 to 7 celery stalks, 2 bunches of parsley, a small handful of mint leaves, 1 ginger root, a 2-pound bag of carrots, and 4 small apples of your choice. All right, so let's get juicing. For starters, be sure you are using a juicer and not a blender like a NutriBullet. There is a difference. If you'd like for me to do a video about the difference between juicing and blending, please be sure to leave a comment in the comment box below. I'm so excited to share this delicious and healthy recipe with you all. This recipe yields about a half gallon or 64 ounces of juice. So that makes 4 16-ounce servings for my family, or for me, 2 32-ounce servings as meal replacements. Not only is this juice great for your body, which I'll tell you about in a sec, but the ingredients are so affordable. Most of the ingredients for today's juice were purchased from Aldi. The kale was 99 cents. Each bag of spinach was $1.20. A bag of celery was $1. A bunch of parsley was $1.10. The bunch of mint was 89 cents. The ginger root was $1.20. The 2-pound bag of carrots were only 79 cents. A bag of apples that had about 10 to 12 apples in it were $2.30. So to make this juice that serves 4 people, that's less than $3 a person, which is just a steal. I mean, that's incredible. All right, so some more about juicing. Juicing extracts the juice from fresh fruits and vegetables. The resulting liquid contains most of our vitamins, minerals, and plant chemicals called phytonutrients. Whole fruits and vegetables have healthy fiber, which is lost during most juicing processes. There are many uses for the juicing byproduct or the fiber. If you like to see some of these recipes and some of these uses of the fiber from juice, please just let me know in the comment section below and I'll gladly do a video on that. I have lots of different ways that I use the fiber in different recipes for dog food, so on and so forth. So just let me know if you want to see that. I like juicing because I would normally not eat nearly as many vegetables or fruit in a day as I would through juicing. So if you're a person that you don't particularly enjoy eating fruits and vegetables, or you really want to get more fruits and vegetables into your daily diet, juicing is a fun way to add them to your diet. So, and it's also a good way to try different fruits and vegetables that you may not normally eat. A great thing about juicing is that your body can absorb the nutrients better and quicker and gives your digestive system a break from working on fiber. As the juice is absorbed quicker, you'll feel a boost quicker as well. So you don't need a bunch of energy drinks and coffee. Just drink your vegetables. Okay. Some other benefits of juicing is that it can reduce your risk of cancer, boost your immune system, help remove toxins from your body, aid digestion, and help you lose weight. Side note about the weight loss: stick more to the vegetables than fruit because fruit has lots of sugar in it. All right, so as I'm nearing the end of juicing in this video, as you see that most of the juice is coming through a fine mesh sieve, I'll start to stir it in a second just to get the rest of the juices out, because personally, I just don't like pulp in my juice. If you like pulp, then this step is not needed. You don't need the sieve. But if you're like me and you just want to drink pure just juice with nothing in it, it's a texture thing, just put it through the sieve. So in this next shot, you'll see me kind of stirring through the sieve, just getting everything out. Again, this is totally optional. If you like pulp, it's totally fine. There's nothing wrong with it, but there's other uses that I use for the pulp, which again, if you want to see that, let me know in the comment section below. So now I've poured my juice in my mason jar, got a little bit on the countertop, but that's okay. We're good to go. Here is a picture of the fiber that's left from juicing. And again, just let me know if you'd like to see some recipes with that. Just leave it in the comment section below, and I will gladly show you all several uses for this fiber, the byproduct of juicing. Well, guys, thank you so much for stopping by today. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what you've heard and you'd like to see more. I greatly appreciate it. And if you learned anything, please be sure to give a thumbs up. If you didn't get a chance, be sure to click on my last video. This is where I talk about my plant-based eating journey and how it's been changing my life. So hope you all find it of interest. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.